Let's break down inflation. Imagine last year, your dollar bought a big slice of cheese. This year, that same dollar only gets you a sliver. The dollar hasn't changed. Prices have gone up. That's inflation. Your money buys less. It's like a slow leak in your wallet. At first, you barely notice, but soon, everything costs more. Biscuits, petrol, even haircuts. Inflation means prices rise across the board, not just at one cheeky shop. The economy is like a big machine. When it runs smoothly, prices stay steady, but if it speeds up or jams, prices climb. A little inflation is normal, but too much, and everyone feels the squeeze. When people talk about the rate of inflation, they mean how fast prices are rising. For example, if inflation is 5%, something that cost $100 last year now costs $105. It's a simple idea, but it affects everything, from your weekly shop to your savings. Inflation changes how we think about money and what we can do with it. Understanding inflation is the first step to handling it, just like picking the right tool for a tricky job. So next time your money doesn't go as far, you'll know why. And that's the fuss about inflation. Inflation hits hardest at the shops. You buy the same groceries, but the bill keeps growing. Prices for bread, milk, eggs, even dog biscuits creep up. Petrol is a big culprit. When fuel costs rise, so does the price of everything that needs transporting. Housing costs have soared, making it tough to buy or rent a home. Even a night out or a meal at a cafe costs more, as businesses pass on their higher expenses. It's a chain reaction. Higher costs for businesses mean higher prices for you. That's why your trolley feels lighter, even when you're buying the same things. Inflation quietly squeezes everyone's budget. So, why is inflation rising now? Supply chain problems make it harder and pricier to get goods to shops. Energy costs, especially oil and gas, have jumped, making everything more expensive to produce and transport. Governments pumped extra money into the economy to help during tough times, but if there's more money than goods, prices go up. When people expect prices to rise, they buy sooner, which pushes prices up even more. Businesses, expecting higher costs, raise prices in advance. It's a cycle. Expectations and actions feed inflation. That's why prices keep climbing. Inflation doesn't hit everyone equally. Families on tight budgets feel it most. Essentials like food and heating eat up more of their income. Retirees on fixed pensions see their money buy less each month. Even workers with pay raises can fall behind if prices rise faster than wages. Small businesses struggle too, squeezed by rising costs and customers who can't afford higher prices. Everyone feels like they're working harder just to keep up. Inflation forces tough choices, cutting back on treats, savings, or even basics. It's a challenge for households and businesses alike. So, what's being done? Governments and central banks are on the case. They raise interest rates to slow borrowing and spending, aiming to cool down price rises. They also try to fix supply chain issues and help those hit hardest by rising costs. Understanding inflation helps you make smarter choices, budgeting, saving, and planning ahead. It's not about being a financial expert, just knowing why your money doesn't stretch as far. With a bit of knowledge, you can take small steps to protect your finances, support your local shops, save where you can, and stay informed. That way, you're ready for whatever the economy throws your way.